We moved out of the trailer and into a very large house with a huge backyard, a new motorcycle in the driveway, and my favorite part, the garage. It may look like a bomb has went off in here, and that is because we dropped one in it. We need to take the bomb out and put it in all nice and neat. We're Injured Whips. This is the garage transformation. You think you're gonna help me with this? I already see it. I already see the vision.
I walked through a concrete jungle many a time or two. I've had all kinds of trouble with some folks, yes, it's true.
Alright, we have been in here for an hour and a half now. Literally time-lapsed the whole thing. It looks like we did nothing. However, we did a little bit of something. For one, we moved the bike out into the rain, because that's what you do when you gotta make room.
Wet hogs.
Wet hogs, baby. And we got the toolbox filled up a little bit. It's not organized. Come on, come on. I mean, it's kind of organized. Like, we have power tools-ish, kind of, sort of. Don't look too hard. And then we got, like, screwdrivers, bits, picks, etc. Over here, it's my wrench collection.
Silver.
Yeah, silverware. This is my silverware drawer. Over here, you got an empty one. We haven't decided what we're actually going to put in it. I'm aware the toolbox is built backwards. Now here we're going to go with some hand tools, etc. I'm going to, oh yeah, all my sockets, you know, clamps, etc. Blah, 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 whatever. You get the idea. We're not going to finish this video until my buddy, who you will meet, comes back and we can fully do the entire garage. But in the meantime, I feel like this is much better than it was yesterday. I'm going to try and get these bikes in, and then my friend should be back, and it should be time for the next part of the video, the actual transformation.
Started working at a diamond laying pipe up in Caroline. Got my little cousin Billy Hyde on her working by my side. Well, we work all day and stay out all night, and that's when I notice his wandering eye. I don't wanna know what I know, 'cause I know it ain't good. Well, Billy's been married to Miss Rita for 10 years now. She's hotter than a pistol and a meaner than a cotton mouth. And if she ever caught a wind of Billy running around, she got a sweet 40-40, put him in the ground. I don't wanna know what I know, 'cause I know it ain't good.
This is getting really overwhelming. I wish I had an extra hand. This is Matt. He's going to be joining the YouTube channel now and helping me with the garage transformation.
Yeah, I've got my motorcycle and a bunch of shit in his garage, so this is gonna be fun.
This is our new Harbor Freight haul, so we're going to put this shit away first, and then we're going to work on the rest.
We're ready now for a week out on the water, and got buddies down from Lubbock with their West Texas snow. And we're out for raising a little hell out on the island, and get drunk and tie one on, get a little out of control. My buddy's bringing his new lady down from San Marcos. She's a better towel out from down at Texas Tech. And she said she's got a sister that's a little
BEA beautiful, baby.
Perfect.
Whoa! Yeah, there's like a crazy amount of spiders up here.
Yeah, up here too.
They're gonna stay.
Pretty bad, yeah.
They are gonna stay. You're welcome here, spiders. Looks pretty fucking good, dude. Ready, Freddy?
Yep.
That sounds like a stud.
It's better? It's better or no?
Roundhouse Row, baby.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know if I told you, I picked this table up at a thrift store. And it's an IKEA standing desk, so it's a manual one. But when I got home, I cut the handle off. So I can where's my drill? You have your drill out, actually?
Yep. Oh, no way.
Yeah.
This is genius.
Isn't that fucking cool?
That's
man?
so nice.
$300 table, got for 15 bucks.
That's
20
so
bucks,
sick.
20 bucks.
What brand is it?
IKEA.
Oh shit.
Some of this trash. You don't want whatever the fuck this thing is, dude. Is that a firework?
That is probably a firework. No, I don't want it.
Don't talk to me about a YouTube rabbit hole. Because I'll make it my personality.
Fair.
Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect.
What can I do with this hand? I think I can grab tools.
No.
See if I can get that knife right there.
Yeah.
Not quite long enough.
Okay.
Let's act as if it was a little closer here. Oh, close.
Fuck all of it. Fuck it all up. Okay.
That's it. That's as long as it can go. Get you. I think it's finished. Not finished, but good enough. Come take a look. Welcome to the InjuredWhips garage. This is not a final product, and things will change. As you can tell, there's a motorcycle in pieces behind it, but it's not a garage if you don't work in the garage. As you can tell, we're working. Thank you for watching the video. We're InjuredWhips.
Yeah, now you know me. Yeah, now you know me.
I don't wanna be alone no more. I just want someone to come and open up the door. It's just me and shadow in a room in the dark. I'm scared I'm about to finish when I never even start. I don't wanna be alone no more. I don't wanna